What's up, YouTube? Morning. So I had an idea for Uber and Lyft drivers, professional drivers, cab drivers, limo drivers, all these drivers out there. And this is helping you prevent your door hinges from wearing out prematurely. So if you're a professional driver and you're hustling, most vehicles today are equipped with a door check, okay, and hinges top and bottom. So, and also today's door handles are plastic, most of them. So if I was a professional driver, or I'm Uber and Lyft and I'm driving to make my money, you want to definitely reduce your costs of repairs and maintenance. So how can you minimize door hinge failure and door handle failure? One, you'll have to instruct the operator of the vehicle to get in and out of his vehicle. So that means when you're picking up your ride, he's going to have to get out and open the door. Or you can have a car customization shop add door poppers where you just push a button, the door will open for them, and you can do that. That will minimize door handles inside and out from being destroyed. The other thing is door hinge maintenance. So just as I showed you a few seconds ago, you need to get in there and brush wheel bearing grease or lithium grease or WD-40 regularly. If you're out there hustling all day long, your doors are opening, closing, your power sliders. Excuse me. Still getting over that nasty virus. 3 weeks now. I'm sorry. But yes, keeping your costs down. So anybody who's in business, you want to become as profitable as possible and reduce your costs of expenses, which there's things that are controllables, and then you have uncontrollables and fixed expenses. So fixed expenses, of course, would be you, a car payment, necessities on repair and maintenance, but things that you can control to stop from breaking. Say, hey, I can lubricate my hinges and keep them lasting a good long time. I can open and close the door so I'm in control of the doors wear and tear and abuse. You know, because some people are getting in your car and everything's plastic. They're just yank, 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 yank. And same thing on the outside. Yank, 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 yank. And then now you got a broken door handle. Just some tips for you professional drivers. I hope this helps. I mean, this is some good advice. Thanks for watching.